You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, also this name, correctly in English. In Italian it'd be said as vince, but in English it's usually pronounced as Vince. This is short for Vincent usually. Do you use this name for any other meaning? Let us know in the comments. This is a given name, Vince. Essentially replace the CE with an S at the end. Vince. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.